In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Instagram posting errors. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is check Instagram server status. For that, launch your preferred browser, navigate to the website like DownDetector. Once you're on the website, search for Instagram. If you found out any outages, you will need to wait until the problem will be resolved from the end. In case there are no issues with the server, you can follow these steps. First up, check for app updates. So launch your App Store or Play Store, search for the app Instagram. If you found the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Next, clear cache for the app. So launch settings, go to general, click on the option iPhone storage. Now from the list of apps, find Instagram. Once app appears, click on it, click on offload app, click on offload app again to confirm it. Wait for a few minutes, then click on reinstall app. With this, your problem might be resolved. If the solution didn't work out for you, what you want to do is contact Instagram support team. So launch Instagram app, navigate to profile page, click on 3 bars, head over to the option help. Now click on the option report a technical problem. Click on the option report problem without checking. Click on don't include. Now here explain about the issue that you are unable to post anything in your Instagram account and send it. And that's it. These are some fixes for Instagram posting errors. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.